OPPO Reno 9 Pro 5G is part of OPPO's Reno series, designed for users seeking a sleek, high-performance smartphone with advanced camera features and 5G connectivity. Here's a quick overview of its key features. Rear camera. Dual camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, providing high-quality images, even in low light. Front camera. 32 megapixel front camera for sharp and clear selfies. Battery. 4,500 mAh battery with 67-watt Super VOOC Flash Charging, ensuring quick power-ups. Storage and RAM typically comes with 16 GB RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, offering plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. Operating system. ColorOS 13, based on Android 13, providing a user-friendly interface and a range of customizations. 5G connectivity ensures fast internet speeds, ideal for streaming, downloading, and video calls. Design. Build. Slim and lightweight design with a premium glass finish, available in multiple color options. Fingerprint scanner, in-display fingerprint sensor for easy and secure access. The OPPO Reno 9 Pro 5G is a balanced smartphone offering powerful performance, a strong camera setup, and fast charging, making it